You thought you'd be further along by now. Everything went well, the surgery was successful, so why does recovery still feel uncertain? When recovery doesn't match expectations, confusion sets in. I'm a shoulder specialist who helps people understand recovery when it doesn't match expectations. Not sure if your recovery is on track or if you might be setting yourself back. Download the free shoulder recovery guide linked below in the description. One of the biggest sources of stress during recovery is this: expectations don't always match reality, even when everything goes right, because we tend to assume a good surgery leads to a smooth, predictable recovery. But that's not how the body works. Recovery is more complex than just the procedure. Recovery is influenced by more than just the procedure itself. It depends on how your body heals and how your shoulder responds to movement and how your nervous system processes discomfort. These things don't always follow a clear timeline. This is why people often feel confused, because nothing is clearly wrong, but nothing feels completely settled either. You might still feel stiffness or soreness that comes and goes. Some days feel better, then suddenly they don't. And when that happens, it's easy to start questioning everything. Did something get missed? Should I be further ahead? But in many cases, this uncertainty is not unique to shoulder surgery. It shows up across many types of recovery because healing is not a straight line. Even when outcomes are good, the process can still feel unpredictable. What matters is understanding that variability does not mean something is off track. Variation is often part of the process. It often means your body is still adapting and finding its way back to normal movement, and that process takes time to settle. If you expect recovery to feel smooth, every fluctuation will feel like a problem. But understanding this makes those moments easier to interpret, not as warning signs, but as part of how recovery unfolds. That shift doesn't remove all the frustration, but it does reduce the pressure to feel like everything should already be resolved. You don't need perfect recovery to be on track. The free guide will help you understand your recovery a little better. And if you want a more structured way to navigate it step by step, that's what the shoulder recovery method is for. If you're early in recovery, this is when it matters most. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week.